Flying fish ramen, does it taste good? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Joshua and I make videos exploring Japan, and this week we are going to be cooking this flying fish ramen, and I think it's flying fish karaage that I picked up while in Yakushima for the Yakushima episode. I've been wanting to cook this for a long time, I just haven't really had the time, but let's get started. Alright, so let's take a look at what is inside. First, let's have a look at this thing. I'm hoping that it'll have like a whole fish inside, that'd be really good. So let's see, it looks like it recommends you to microwave it, although I'll probably use a frying pan. And, what's this? Best before February. Oh, what time is it now? Ooh, I guess I did buy these in August last year. Should be fine. What's the worst thing to happen? So let's have a look, and, oh, that's not what I was quite expecting. Kind of like cake thingies. Well, I guess since they're sealed like this, the chance of them going bad is probably pretty low, so it's probably for the best. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we get inside the ramen box set. It looks like we have 2 packs of noodles. Wait a minute, this just looks like 2-minute noodles to me. We have our ramen sauce. I guess this is our flavoring. And yeah, it's 2 packs, so I guess it's for 2 people, or 2 times, but I'm just gonna eat it all today. So we have our, I guess, little flavor sachets. This looks, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks exactly like 2-minute noodles. So maybe it's not gonna be as good as on the box. I was hoping to have like the little wings and everything, but I guess I could have bought those as well, but they have to be fresh. Oh. So taking a look at the directions, looks like we just need to put it in some water for about 3 minutes. I might make it a little bit fancier. And if anyone's interested in nutritional information, let's see what we have. We have 472 calories, 12 grams of protein, almost 60 grams of carbohydrates, and 20 grams of fat. So I'll just open one of these up and show what I mean. They look just like, I don't know if anyone, like, I guess maybe you'd call it ramen or instant noodles in America, but where I'm from, in Australia and New Zealand, we call this just 2-minute noodles. Like, this looks like the cheapest noodles too. Like, I guess I only paid like $10 for this set, but this is kind of disappointing. I have had other ramen at home sets before and they had nice noodles, but this is like the absolute budget ones, but we'll see. We'll see. It could be good. Let's not judge by appearances just yet. Although I already have been let down by the flying fish age, which the Yakushima Flying Fish age. It looks a bit but we'll see. We'll see. All right, let's make this. Look at these green pellets. It's like those, what do you call it? You know, like rabbit food? Like rabbit, like bait or food. You know, when you feed rabbits, it looks like that stuff. Apart from being really fishy so far, it actually smells pretty good. So, yeah, I've got high hopes for it. I'm gonna get ready for the spill cam. I have like the worst kettle. It's probably too much water, but I'm gonna do both of them in here. Oh yeah, it's got that really fishy smell. It's actually kind of making me hungry. So we have our, hot oil. Shit. So we're just trying to fry my flying fish age at the moment. They look pretty pitiful, to be honest. I was quite disappointed when I opened the package. They kind of remind me of that old woman in SpongeBob that doesn't want to buy chocolate, you know what I mean? The really old one, the mother. But maybe they taste good, who knows? Ah, that's a fine looking ramen. Why doesn't mine look like this? So there's no mincing words here. This looks like absolute shit. I have my cheap Maggi 2-minute noodles and my old lady from SpongeBob that doesn't want to buy chocolate paddies. Let's see if we can make it a little bit more fancy. So I added some bean sprouts, some kimchi, some spring onions, some eggs, and some ikura to make it look a little bit more like the package. I think that's not too bad. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at all the nice things in that one. It looks a lot better than the original, but I guess the final thing is to see how it tastes. So Yakushima Flying Fish Ramen, going in. Yeah, so the noodles are very disappointing. They're just instant noodles, you know, like 2-minute noodles, Maggi, or I guess instant ramen noodles, but there's a really nice flavor, like a very rich fishy flavor from the soup, and I guess you gotta always test the soup, don't you? So, yeah, it's a really nice soup actually. And I guess I should try one of these, I guess I kept calling them karage, but they're actually just age. The flying fish age. It looks, again, it looks like the old lady from SpongeBob, but let's test it out. The flying fish age. Yeah, it's not bad. It's just like kind of a patty, but yeah, overall this is pretty tasty. It cost about $10, so what can you expect? But yeah, so I guess this is my dinner for tonight. I just wish I'd made the eggs a bit more runny. These are like soft, hard-boiled. I kind of prefer them soft-boiled. But it's good. Of course, adding the kimchi and the ikura, or fish roe, definitely adds to the theme. So I enjoyed it. Yeah, not too bad. Is that thunder outside? That's strange. Final thoughts. So if I was going to rate this out of 10, before my additions, where it was just the cheap noodles, the very good soup but cheap noodles, and then the flying fish age, it'd probably be like a 3 out of 10. But with a little bit of kimchi, a little bit of bean sprouts, some onions, some eggs, some nori, some fish flakes, it really turns this into from a, what did I say, 3 to like maybe a 7. It's not too bad considering it costs about $10. I guess you're supposed to get 2 meals out of this, but realistically this is 1 meal, let's be honest. So flying fish ramen, pretty good. I just hope that because it was expired that the fish doesn't come flying out of me, if you know what I mean. And subscribe for future videos and I'll see you in the next one.